Crystal Cove Beach is truly on top of the list of things to do in Orange County. It ascends you into a coastal California of 1930s, lets you experience the feel and vibe of those times, and the best thing is that it's a historic district and everything you see here is a real deal. Crystal Cove is located on Pacific Coast Highway right between Newport Beach and Laguna Beach. Crystal Cove is part of California State Park, and it has about 18 miles worth of trails, different difficulties, but not today. Today is a beach day. Crystal Cove is usually not very crowded, mainly because there are only two big parking lots that are decently close to the historic district. Both require beautiful short walks. You get to go through a pedestrian tunnel that passes under Pacific Coast Highway. There's a shuttle and drop-off area. During summer months they get filled up really quickly, so get here early. From a short walk to a long day at the beach, you will have here everything you need to spend as much time as you want. California has a long history, and for more than 9,000 years people lived in this area. A majority of the time they used this area as a farmland. In 1924, California government built Pacific Coast Highway in Orange County area, and of course that led people to build 47 minimalistic, jeweled-toned, beautiful cottages. At some point there were grand plans to convert cottages into luxury resorts, but people created an alliance to save Crystal Cove and stop the construction. They now have 17 cottages restored and decorated to reflect that historical period, and you can make reservation. Prices are super low for the area, but it's really difficult to get reservations, of course. And the trick I've heard from locals is that if you come in at 11 of the day when you want to stay and ask for cancellations, you may get lucky, especially in rainy days. They continue working on the rest of the cottages, and the plan is to finish restoring all 47. It is really nice to step away from modern 2020s into this charming and nostalgic old world. The area is very isolated, and you feel isolated, and outside of your cell phones there's nothing modern here. Spending time on the beach feels wonderful, and if tide is low, check out the tide pools for creatures like abalone, crabs, different stars, or sea urchin. Okay, let's talk food. There's two restaurants in Crystal Cove. There's one here, Beachcomber's Cafe. It's a beautiful location right on the beach. It's one of the restored cottages. Reservations is hard to get, but they take walk-ins mainly. So if you come in, put on your name on a list and then walk around, before you know they're gonna call you. Now the other one is Shake Shack, and it's right here. It's much less expensive. It's Ruby's Shakes. Okay, food. View is amazing. You can park there, but it's very limited, very hard. But if you're here, there's stairs that lead up to Shake Shack, and you can just go there that way. Well, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like it if you liked it, and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you don't miss new destination. Please follow me on Instagram. This is my handle, and all the information and links are in description below and on the blog. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in next video. Peace.